Hello, everybody. Um, happy to be here today to wish you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Okay, so today is Christmas, and the most important thing is that we are alive in this land of the living. Mm? We are alive in the land of the living. So today is a day to thank God because a lot of some people started the year, but they are not here today to celebrate Christmas. But we are still breathing in this land of the living. So it's a thing to thank God for, it's a thing to be happy for. I know some of us will be like, oh my God, what did I achieve during the year? It was this, it was that challenge, it was the other challenge, and everything. We remember to count the problems, but we forget to count our blessings. Hmm? We always remember to count those problems we have, the challenges we encountered in life. We count them endlessly. But how many times do you remember to count your blessings? There's this song that says, count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. And it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Eh? So, Ogbako Umunwanyi Worldwide Foundation, we are here today to ask you, general public, ask you, all viewers out there, count your blessings and name them one by one. And it will surprise you what God has done for you. And also, Igbo Global Network is bring is also telling us to count our blessings and name them one by one. So you will say, oh, who Ogbako Igbo Worldwide, who are they? Ogbako Igbo Worldwide are Igbo women that organized, those who organized themselves worldwide to support vulnerable women, to support orphan children, and also vulnerable children. We are very supportive when it comes to helping the other person. So if you haven't seen us, look for us. We are right on the Facebook, Umunwanyi Igbo. You will see us there. That's our Facebook page. Because we started with Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide, and then we graduated to Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation. I want to thank them again, all the Asiadas of Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, for your Mother Christmas events. Oh my gracious God. Have you heard about Mother Christmas events? If you haven't heard about it, Mother Christmas events comes up every single year. This is the third year Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation started Mother Christmas events. And every year, children all over Nigeria look out for this Mother Christmas events. And this year alone, they organized it in 8 different states. In Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, Lagos State, Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, and also in Rivers State. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide, they have, I don't know how to describe these gracious Asiadas from the Igbo lineage. They've done so well to show love to humanity, especially children. And I want to thank them, and I want to thank all their supporters all the supporters of Ogbako Umunwanyi worldwide, wherever you are, God bless you. You make this world beautiful. We cannot appreciate you enough for all you do for the less privileged ones. Come to think about it. If the table turns around and you become the person at the receiving end, what will you do? How are you gonna survive? You see, so sometimes we don't understand what people on the other side of the table are going through. So let it touch your heart, because it could have been you that is in such situation. It could have been you that can't even feed. It could have been your children that are orphan. It could have been your children that are vulnerable children. It could have been anybody, you know. So don't stop doing good. Don't stop helping out. Don't stop showing love. Don't stop showing care. Charity, embrace it. Charity, your ability to help the other person is a virtue. Grab it and hold it dear to your heart. We need each other to survive on this planet Earth. Don't just say, "Oh, I'm comfortable. My children are comfortable. Everybody's I'm okay." But what about those that are not comfortable? What about those that are not okay? If you don't help them, who will? So count yourself as one of the angels of kindness. For all the people doing charity out there, I call them angels of kindness. Make sure you're one of them. You don't even know how much you got to live here on planet X. And when you're gone, if you didn't write your name on that book of kindness, you won't be remembered for anything. Nobody remembers you for your money. Nobody remembers you for your houses or wherever. No, they remember you for your kindness. The people will always remember the things you did for other people. So keep doing good. It pays greatly. So it is Christmas, and Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. But make sure when you're eating, don't eat alone. Don't eat alone. Radiate this love. Christ is the reason for the season. And because you are a human being, you are the reason for the season, because you want to bless the other person with what God has blessed you with. Hmm? Chineke gbara gị Christmas, ị gbara mmadụ ibe gị. Onye a gọziri, ọ gọzie mmadụ ibe ya. Ụwa na-atọ ụtọ, ụwa na-ama mma. Hmm? So Ogbako Umunwanyi bụ worldwide. Anyị na-ekele ụmụ Igbo zuru ezu n'ụwa niile. Anyị na-ekele onye ọbụla, ma ndị ọcha, ma ndị ojii. Everybody nọ na this, great wishes for a prosperous new year. We love you all. Ogbako Umunwanyi bụ worldwide. Igbo Global Network, Ladies of Virtue and Integrity NGO. All these are charity organizations. These are charity organizations. And what are we talking about? Love, charity, help, angels of kindness. Okay. Ogbako Umunwanyi worldwide organization is talking about charity, it's talking about love, it's talking about help for each other, support for each other, love for one another. Igbo Global Network, we are talking about the development of Ala Igbo. When we talk about developing Ala Igbo, making Ala Igbo a developed nation, what rings bell most in your ears? Like, you talk about development of Ala Igbo, what do you think? How do you think we should develop Ala Igbo? Okay, we have electricity. That is a challenge presently in Igbo land. Hospitals are challenging right now. We don't have good medical care. Okay. Medication, challenging. Some of those medication out there are not, your guess is as just as mine. You take medication and it doesn't do anything because they are not of standard. We all know this. So how are we going to work around these challenges? We have challenge with having factories for our children to work with, industries to employ our youths that are roaming the streets. We need good roads network, to open up the economy. So we're talking about the development of the Igbo nation, and that's what Igbo Global Network are championing, and they're calling UmuIgbo everywhere. Come and develop our land, develop ala Igbo, ka ala Igbo maa mma, ka ala Igbo maa mma. Igbo nwekwara na mmadụ. Anyị ma na enwere ndị na-eme ewetenye ha elo ya, but that's why Igbo Global Network jiri pụta si ka unu zie anyị ozi a na anyị ga-eje tie ofụma. Unu nye anyị ihe a ga-arụ, weta ihe a ga-ejiri ya, we will do it. Unu abịa hụ n'anya, mara na mmadụ na enwere ndị mma ndụ nọ n'ime. Ọwụhụ asị, anyị bụ mmadụ, anyị bụ mmadụ. Ịbụ mmadụ, ị nwere mma ndụ n'ime gị. Ịbụ mmadụ mana ị nwere ike mma ndụ anọghị gị n'ime. Mana ịbịa n'Igbo Global Network, ịhụ ndị bụ mmadụ nwekwa mma ndụ n'ime ha. Ọwụghị ịnya isi, ọwụ osi agụgọ ịbịa ịhụnanya. Ihe anyị na-ayọ ụmụ Igbo bụ maranụ na enwego ndị wepụtara onwe ha ije ozi imezi ala Igbo ka ala Igbo dị mma. Mgbe ndị a na-eje ozi akpọtụrụ gị, biko zakwa anyị oku. Anya na-achọkwanụ nke ya ka emezi ala Igbo ka ala Igbo dị mma. Ọ bụ ihe Igbo Global Network na-ayọ. Ọkwa n'ihe ọgbakọ ụmụnwaanyị Igbo ji wepụtakwa onwe ha na-etinye aka. Ladies of Virtue and Integrity na-etinyekwa aka. Ha nwa na-eje hospital outreach, nwatakịrị nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ, ma blood donation, ma medication, ma ịgbapụta ha na hospital. Anyị na-achọ otu anyị si arụ motherless babies home, ebe a ga na-eleta ụmụaka. These are charity. These are charity work. And anyị na-akpọ ụwa niile. Love is everything. Without love, there is no life. Without love, there is no life. That is the truth. We are still here because people are still showing love and sharing love. I used to talk about the love America is showing to the world at large. You can't even equate it. You don't believe that American government is all over the world, radiating love, sharing love in terms, I don't know, count it. You know all this. So love makes this world beautiful. Wherever you are, show love. Some countries that are very powerful, they will begin to show their power in different ways. Why not imitate what American governments, that the Americans are doing, sharing love and showing love, supporting weaker countries and not trying. Some countries will come up, they want to destroy the ones because they are stronger than those. But America will always, like a mother hen, covering and caring for other countries. Love is everything. Outside love, there is no life. You take it or you don't. But that is the truth. So for other countries, whether you are powerful or you're not powerful, remember we need each other in this life. We need to function in unity. We have done so much. Science, technology, in medicine, in artificial intelligence, name them. We've done so much to build this world. If we don't unite right now in love and togetherness and hold each other, knowing that one language we have to speak is the language of love. We hold each other, we support each other, work together as same human race. That's the only way we can keep this world going. Because if we don't unite in love and work together as brothers and sisters, as one human race, we will end up destroying all we have labored for. Many, many thousands of years of labor. We would destroy them within a twinkle of an eye because we have not embraced that which matters most, which is love. I want to give a shout out again to American government for what they are doing, assisting the world, showing so much love and care, making sure people are, giving money everywhere. They are all over the world supporting in in extraordinary ways. So we're calling on other countries, imitate this gesture of love, not just as a country, but you as individuals show love. We don't always get it right, but we are all human. Even in our mistakes, show love. Even when we don't get it right, show love. As a member of a family, if you are the one blessed with wealth, show love to others. Don't intimidate them. Don't make them your punching bags. I am the big guy here. You don't know when the table can turn around. When you do go to people around you on your way up, you may need them on your way down. And that's why it's good to do good to people around you on your way up, because on your way down, when you need them, the good you did to them on your way up will bring them running to help you on your way down. Okay? So it's a merry, merry, merry Christmas to the world, the world at large, to everyone, to all human race, and a prosperous new year. I'm so happy I just came out from the church. You see me, I'm all dressed. I'm all dressed, Christmas lady. I have some red on, I have some touch of red, and so life is what you make out of it. Some people are just, they're not happy. You're saying, oh, I don't know what, I have not achieved much this year. What am I even celebrating? Celebrate your life. Celebrate your life. You're still breathing. Those in the mortuary, those already buried, what else can they do? But you have opportunity to do even more and more exploits in this land of the living. So celebrate your life. Each day is a gift to you. Each single day is a gift to you. A gift of love of God, from God Almighty to you. And take each day as a blessing, as a gift. And say, thank you, Father, for the gift of today. Another day comes, you still thank God. Another day giving to you, you still keep thanking God. So thank God for every single day given to you and utilize it. Be happy. Self-care is important. The world is suffering right now from so much depression. And then we are advocating for self-care. Take deep breaths in between. And don't blow your head up thinking about, oh, this person did this person did that. No. Self-care. And there is a way to switch your brain from the thought of stress to thought of joy. Mm? Your brain is recording everything you're doing. Okay. And there is something in your brain that, rewinds and play back what happened and how it happened. And you react the same way you reacted when it was happening real in physical. So anytime your memory goes there, it triggers all the effects like when it happens for real. That's why you should be very careful, like visiting those those incidences that triggers you, like makes you angry, because the more you're doing those, you're releasing the stress hormone that eventually keep you depressed. You keep going down, in depression. So once you see your mind sway to those ugly incidences, put swipe it like you're turning the computer around from one page to another. Swipe it to the next page. Remember the most happy moments of your time. What was it? Replicate that happy moment, and you see your nerves begin to relax. You begin to release the happy hormone that will balance you. Then go drink a lot of water to wipe and clean out the stress hormone. Take care of yourself. Do deep breathing. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. I do that a lot. Like each time I get worried, I take deep breaths. I'll breathe in, counting 1 to 4, and I'll breathe out, counting 1 to 8 slowly. Like when you do it 10 times, your body will be relaxed. Mm? I feel I should keep talking and talking and talking, but no, we're not going to keep talking. So I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone out there listening to me. And the message is coming to you from Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, from Igbo Global Network, uh, from Ladies of Virtue and Integrity NGO, and from all meaningful UmuIgbo out there. To us and to you, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. So, we say this topic today is Ozi Ekene, and it is our Ozi Ekene to all UmuIgbo, our Ozi Ekene to the world at large. We love you. Keep doing good. Whatever you're doing that is good, please, please keep doing it. Are you a country doing good? Are you a person doing good? Please, we need more of good people. Okay? You make this world beautiful. With you, the world will continue. Without you, there will not be human existence. So please, we salute you. We salute your virtue of doing good, your virtue of kindness, your virtue of love. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for what you do. And thank you so much for what you do. You make the world beautiful. And to me and to you, it's bye for now. Merry Christmas and happy, prosperous New Year to all of us. Bye. See you again.